This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Book version a project is a temporary undertaking to create unique product, service, result. As mentioned, whenever company wants to build a new product or the update existing product means the website, we call the website as a product. Mobile app we call the product basically. So you know this new word, and they actually need a project management tools, and project management tools actually they're doing all of this. And we also call the project in America. If something it takes longer time, like the couple of months, 2 months, 3 months, 8 months, in American culture, in American household, everybody will say, I have a summer project, the bathroom project, the kitchen project, backyard project. And that's the word actually came here, the project. Okay, it's an American word, and American believe what they say in the day-to-day wording, they put it into the application, because America is driving the whole world. All the biggest application you will see is came from America. The biggest invention is came from the America. So everything is in America. And that's the reason we call it project. There is a reason, which is American household word become the word project.